come back, what's the plan? Bad bitch, get my Instagram, damn. And I heard that she a fan. My team always eating, man, we not fan, man. We can go nice and slow like Usher, baby. White girl, we do not so red. Niggas talk shit on it, never won't never come fake. I'm sweating this G like this shit on safety. Ooh, baby girl, what you wanna get into? When I'm with you, now fuck up my moves. Sit up on my slimes, nigga, we say woo. Fuck that Glock, that little well buffer, nigga. No, I can't fuck with no buffer, nigga. He thinking that shit, then we flush that bitch. Try to spin, stop his car, won't come back, nigga. Playing bad bitch.
What's going on with y'all boys? Oh yeah, we got Kel. You drunk yet? My boy's a straight menace, bro. I was fried looking at your story. I was like, ain't no way, boy. I was like, my boy, first day touchdown. He was like, fuck it. Bro said, he said this for the close friends. Oh shit, wrong one. But nah, you funny, bro. Just enjoy the vacation. Fuck it. Shit, I didn't even expect you to be here. I don't even know if you trade or not. Oh yeah, you don't want to fuck that up. You want to enjoy it. Trust me. When I was in Mexico and shit, bro, I was doing the same thing. I was like, nah, I'm not even gonna trade today, bro. I'm going to the caves. I'm not even gonna do it to myself. I'm going in the caves. And then, cause, bro, I remember I was losing a trade, like on the golf cart, going to the gym. I'm like, damn, I might as well just jump in the water at this point. Oh God. That shit kills your whole mood, bro. You could be in the most beautiful spot, but if you get killed trading, bro, your mood's gonna be done. That's, that's why I try to enjoy the days I don't trade, man. Stress free. I gotta enjoy the stress free days, cause them stressful days, they are way too often. We gonna see what's up. Oh yeah, right now it's looking like we're gonna range. I ain't gonna lie. The fact that we ran both of these highs and lows already, interesting. Asian session highs and lows already got ran through. So we're kind of just in this range right now. Kind of chilling in between the open also. Interesting. If we're bullish, we should push by now. I don't think we should have another retracement. But bearish wise, I think if we could run all these highs and maybe fill in this gap that we have at like 400 right here, I think that could be a nice little move to the downside, like you're saying, bearish. What you think? Nah, the previous day's high is all the way up here. That's at 500. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we just ran Asian session, but we've been ranging. But what I'm thinking is, if we're gonna push, we shouldn't have any more retracements, considering that London session had this drop for one. So if it is bullish, it shouldn't run past this point. So once it does, more than likely we are gonna keep bearish. We had one retracement consolidation. Now we're pushing from that 8 o'clock. And the way I'm looking at it, we were below the open, tapped into the fib. We already ran this low, tapped into this order block, filled in this gap here. I don't see any other reason for us to come lower if we're not just going to keep on dropping. So if we do push, I think bearish ideas I may have is around here, maybe around 400 after we fill this gap. That's something I could see to the downside. Then we got this fair value gap to the left, and it's just the fib short from the previous day's high to the previous day's low. So we're still within that range, and everything's already bearish. So for all I know, usually we don't get reversals till midweek. So like you said, we'll probably just continue downside. But I don't see why we shouldn't at least run this high from what's happened already. I think this high should be cleared soon. Yeah, so this area right here is ideally. Something like this, just keeping it simple, is Monday. The bullish side, I think the bullish trade, 64% what? Yeah. From this low right here, this would have been a nice move if we were up early enough, but that's a good continuation. I think the continuation will play out, and then we'll get a reversal, because there are times where you can get both a London continuation, but then it ends up turning into a reversal later on in the day. Could be something that definitely happens. But we gonna see. Only time will tell. Only time will tell. But nah, streaming should be good now, internet wise. I got the Ethernet in this bitch. On God, I plugged that shit right on in into the Xbox, and it's everything. Ethernet going into everything, bro. I'm putting that Ethernet in everything, bro. Everything's getting hardwired connection. I'm gonna put an Ethernet, and I'm gonna get a long ass one, like 100 foot. I'm gonna throw it to the pool so I could plug it into my laptop while I'm at the pool too. You feel me? Think I'm like, you charging? I'm like, you charging your laptop? I'm like, nah, I'm just getting that high speed. You feel me? Especially when you're trading. Oh boy, when you're trading, it's everything. Oh, I have the wrong camera on. That's why. There we go. See, I was like, why does my camera look like that? I was confused. This is the real camera. I was like, what the fuck? But now, how you doing, bro? How was some videos we did yesterday? Was it helpful? Helpful? Yeah, I seen the trade earlier, but see how I mean? Sometimes you miss it because you're too precise. Sometimes you're not always gonna get them. That's the thing. But hey, you see it works. You see it works. And it's not even the fact that it works or anything. It's just you're looking at stuff that's already here. You're just watching to see how it reacts with certain areas, and you're looking for specific things. Like remember how I was saying, now look, this order block. There's an order block right here within this fair value gap that we're looking at. So remember how many examples you seen of this yesterday, where it's in it, and you can see it had a reaction already. But now we have this gap in here that could potentially get filled, and then have a reaction all the way lower, or we might even just get something like that and then keep pushing higher. Like I said, what are we looking for? What are we looking for? When we look for what do we look for? I'm asking you. It's like a, what do I look for? Basically, like with all this, what am I just looking for with price? Now I'm saying which, you know what it is. I'm trying to word it differently. What do I want to see price do? Like whenever, not in this specific setup, just in general. When I'm looking for a whole bunch of confirmations in the area, I'm just expecting that price is gonna have a what? It's a reaction. See, you knew what it was. I just couldn't word it. I couldn't word it the right way. I couldn't word it the right way. I'm just looking for a reaction. Like when all this, I think price is gonna react here. That's all I'm expecting. Down here, you can see price reacted after we cleared Asian session low. We had a reaction. After we cleared Asian session high, had a reaction. Now, mind you, it's not always long-term moves, but we bet it on the fact that it was able to move in our direction from that specific area, and that can mean a lot, especially if you get on a lower time frame. But yeah, now it's the waiting game. This is the boring part of trading. 'I need some light. Dungeon in here. There we go. We got some light in here. 61. Yeah. It's usually what I usually do is just the 62% is probably like the safest spot to enter. But when you're trying to get a really better risk reward, then the lower the better. But you never know which one's gonna be reacted to. Like see here, this one came to the 70.50, but also keep in mind levels too. So 200 was right here. So if you would have been waiting for the 200 to get hit, you would have missed this trade right here. Like that's something I wouldn't miss. Isn't this what you miss? Something like this, or was this the lower one? Right. The London high, the London run. Yeah. But remember how I said just the sessions. The sessions are important. And look at what time. 2 o'clock. Look at that. Look, it's funny that it happened, and I showed you the example from before. I think right here, one of them. Where was it? Monday. Where is it? What was Monday? The 19th, right? Right here. 6. Right here, I think. 3. This one is at 3. It was one of them. I don't remember. This one had a 3 o'clock move. I think it was here. 2 o'clock. Oh, it was yesterday. I'm dumb. It's right here. The 2. Look, the 2. I'm fried. Yeah, don't mind me, bro. I didn't think it was Friday's price action. Let me charge. I'll be back. I gotta charge my AirPods real quick. Oh, my chair squeaking. Gotta charge these AirPods for the gym. Going to the gym with no music is depressing. Yeah, like I got my Bose speaker that I could just connect to. Having that is just a blessing because it's loud, but I can't put it too loud because I'd be having the apartment, the people around me. But like here, you could probably hear it a little bit. Look, yeah, it's probably gonna be hard to hear with the because this is like this type of microphone is like meant to get like everything close, not everything like in the distance. That's probably why. But yeah, right now looking at price, I think coming up to this 400 area is going to be a good area to potentially look for shorts. Risk reward wise, I'm trying to see where I have my stop loss. Probably first trade, I would probably have my stop loss above this high, just anticipating that it might not run it. But if I get in, that's about 50. It's about 25, 30. Yeah. But I don't know. I don't know if I want to take a second trade today in case this high does get ran. But if this high does get ran, it could still have that reaction to the downside, but I wouldn't have as many confirmations. But let me check higher time frame just in case. 1 hour. Mm, mm. We got like a small gap in here, I think, on the 1 hour. Right in here. Need to see the rest of this potentially get filled. Back to 15. Where is that at? It's right above that high. So yeah, this whole area right here is just maybe I might wait for that high to get ran potentially. We'll see. But that this whole 350 to 400 area is where I'm ideally looking. I'm not sure exactly where I'm gonna get in or out of the trade yet, but I'm gonna see with all of this in this area ideally. And you can see, look at price pushing. I think it's going into the open in about 15 minutes. Mm-mm-mm.
Like not sure about closing because I was gonna have issues when I had to re-enter. So I was like, okay, you know what? Let me just let them run through.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hold on, I'm trying to do get something
it
open.
was 11,350. Yeah, it was at
11 through
11,350.
50.
Yeah,
That's where
that's
you
where I
was
wanted
where?
to close.
Oh, that's where you want
Yeah,
to close.
that.
It got close. I
Yeah.
got close to that area. Just missed it by a little bit. That's why sometimes you just got to do it where the risk reward is.
Oh yeah.
That's why I just use a risk reward tool. If I miss it, I miss it, but at least I try to get it.
Uh, What time is it there? Is it like 9:16?
It
Where it's from?
is 9:16. Yes.
Like 6 hours, 9 hours behind. No, 6 hours. Yeah, 6 hours.
6 hours behind. That's what you are.
Yeah, where I am.
Ski man, pull my face up. All right now.
I think as soon as I make my first 50K, I'll be coming over to the US.
To the U.S.
Yeah, Los Angeles.
Oh, that's where you want to go, Los Angeles.
Yeah, that's my first stop, and then
It's
Mexico, and
expensive
then
there, but if you're just
so
visiting, yeah, it's probably cool.
yeah, yeah. It's just gonna be like for 2 days.
Oh yeah, then you good if it's a few days. Yeah.
So can't wait to start traveling, dog. Yo,
My traveling's lit, bro. I'm trying to travel more too. I'm trying to see. I might go to Atlanta this
mm,
week. I don't know though. It's kind of last minute.
oh yeah, and then
Kind of just want to stay here and just get to work. To be honest, don't feel like going,
uh,
but I don't know. I'll see.
yeah, that's one thing about like when you wanna leave, you should leave when you have to leave.
Mhm.
Yeah, but you will have to come here sometime at some point. You will
Oh
let me
yeah,
have like days.
definitely.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
Where you at
Set
again?
up South Africa, bro. I'm at
What
Devon,
part?
Devon.
Devon.
Yeah,
It's
that's
nice
where I'm
there.
raised. Yeah, it's too much, bro. Like it's always chilling. It's, it's chill. It's chill.
It's chill there. Shit, I'm gonna have to slide, bro.
Oh, yeah.
But we gonna see. I'm gonna start trying to use MetaTrader on my computer now from more often.
Meditate. Why? Why?
Cause I'm trying to get used to not using it on my phone. Cause if I get a new phone, I probably might not have the app no more.
Oh,
So I'm just getting used to using it on my computer now.
do you have your trading view connected to your broker? Oh,
No, it's not connected.
oh,
Cause I use FTMO, so you can't connect them. It kind of sucks, but
like,
it is what it is. It's not the worst thing.
it's not the worst at all. This thing is just like stuck in one place right now.
I'll zoom out. Using the MetaTrader on the computer is so weird.
Hey,
I don't understand. This is just
bro.
weird looking.
I only used one on my phone. I was having issues with trying to connect my broker with the MT4 on the PC. I don't know when I download the MT4, it saves as MT4, but when I have to install it, it saves as MT5. I'm not sure what exactly is the issue.
Yeah, it depends. You just gotta make sure the broker allows each too, because some brokers don't even allow MetaTrader 5 and stuff.
Yeah,
Yo, gang.
Not gonna lie, it kind of looks like it's gonna go take out that previous day's high, then reverse.
I think
bro, that's what I
Y'all
was
are
hoping for.
bears.
that's far as hell. 500 though, if it pushes that high, I'll probably stay out. I'll just let it do its thing. Trying to get this MetaTrader on the computer is weird. Like, how do I move this over?
Now the MetaTrader on the computer is diff.
This is weird. I don't
I
understand.
fucks with it.
Where's price at?
But I've been trading with that for a minute.
Like,
You talk
Cal,
about where's price at?
like I'm like my screen. I see like okay. Look at the trading view. This is like how it is for me. Like it's all the way like this, and I can't move it any way over.
It's weird, bro. It's
Bro,
gonna
and it's
take
like
That's the
some
worst.
getting
That's
used
probably the
to.
worst part of it.
I can't move it over and even see where price currently is. Like I'm like stuck. I like see price moving.
We'll charge everything.
I can go this way, but then when I get here, it's just like this. Can't move.
That's cool.
This shit gay. Hold on.
Just buy an Android to trade on.
I have an Android though. I still have it on my phone. It's just I want to get used to it if it's not on the stores no more.
Never know.
I feel like it'll come back on the store eventually. Once Russia comes correct and shit.
I'm just confused on why price is doing this. Why does it look like this?
Cause they finna crash this shit, bro. Soon.
Nah, I'm talking about the actual chart. Fuck the candles. What the fuck, bro? Shit don't even make no sense. Maybe if I try using this.
When you went out the country last time, Andre, did you not smoke while you were out in Cancun?
Nah.
How did you do? Did your appetite get shot?
I think a little bit, but I didn't smoke as much as I did now.
Yeah. True. I was gonna say yeah.
I was just eating. I was
my
just eating
appetite is
shit.
shot.
I was just eating shit out there. Cause it was just the buffets and the resorts. I was just like, fuck it, man.
You should be able to find weed in Puerto Rico, bro.
Shit.
Mm-hmm.
Probably in Puerto
You know
Rico.
what you could do, bro? You could bring a dab pen.
Yeah, you probably could.
I don't know. I thought about that, but that shit sounded just too sketchy to do that.
My cousin brought her dab pen in her under like the baggage she sends under the plane. She brought hers to Jamaica.
Yeah, you could probably get away with it putting in a check bag.
Yeah.
Wrap it in tinfoil. I don't
I'll
know.
keep that in mind.
They be smuggling food all the time, bro, through the check bag.
723. All right. I thought I put that up in the box.
Let's see what happens, man. We finna see.
Hey.
Why some girl tell me I should help her look for a job? Ain't that crazy?
I would have joined the Telegram.
At this point, she was like, "Can you help me go find a job?" I was like, "Bruh, I don't even got a job. Why you asking me?"
Wrong guy.
Real shit. I'm like, job? What is that?
Be like, I ain't trying to work in no fucking job.
Well,
I can't wait to get out of my
I could
shit.
barely quit a job. You think I know how to apply?
I can't wait to stop working at my job, bro.
Shit, it's all possible, man. You just got once you save up enough, that's all it is. Especially if you
Yeah.
already know what you have, what you're gonna focus on in that time that you have with no job. That's all that matters. If worst comes to worst, you just go back. But best case scenario, you don't gotta go back. Just gotta have enough to live
Shit.
off of for a little bit, and then
When I go, I ain't going back. That's all I'm saying.
listen. You
Fuck
say that now.
that.
You say that now. Trust, it's gonna take you a few times. Unless you're like really safe with it and don't do it for like fucking 10 years, then you might be good
That-
if you do it like
I'm
one
definitely
time.
waiting for a certain number.
Yeah, it's just,
But the way I see it, bro, when we got the tent shit booked out 2-3 weeks in advance, I don't got a problem quitting.
yeah.
I gotta go find a new garage, a sturdy garage.
What you gonna get? This market is too predictable sometimes. I just wish I'm about to start trading London at this point, bro.
London's been on to something, bro.
That's what I'm saying. All I need is these little moves. That's
I've
all I
been
need.
noticing it move and during the overnight, bro.
I'm
I've
about to
been
become a
peeping
night.
that shit.
I'm gonna become a night crawler. Maybe that's where I'm gonna make my millions.
I
Then
used
I'm gonna
to
go
be.
to. Then I'm gonna go to the club right after.
I used to straight wait for fucking London to open at 3 a.m.
I've
bro.
never traded London like that.
I used to straight wait for that shit.
Nah, bro. I think that's the vibes. I'm about to be straight at London session, win trade, straight to the club.
You talk about straight to the club.
Straight to the club. Come home, go to sleep at like 8 in the morning. Wake up 5 in the afternoon, go to the gym. Nah, my sleep schedule's gonna be killed. I'm gonna wake up like 12 in the afternoon. 5 is crazy.
With a whole different sleep schedule.
My sleep schedule, I'm gonna sleep how I do now with no sleep, but I'm gonna sleep or late, like not even late, early, I guess. I'm gonna be going to sleep at like 5 a.m. And I'm gonna be going to sleep at like 6 a.m. Waking up at like 10. Trade New York. Oh man. Soon.
Trade London and New York.
Soon. I'm gonna wait till I have some flip accounts that I'm just like, fuck it, we lit. Fuck it, we ball. And try to flip that shit to holy hell. Over leveraging to the moon.
Yeah.
Because if you make enough money, all you gotta do is over leverage on a big amount. That's really all it is. And see,
Yeah, just one
it's
time.
really gambling. That's what it really is. But hey, people gotta have fun. I could go to a casino or I could do it here where I have a higher chance of winning. That's how I look at it.
Don't compare this shit to the casino.
You said what?
Don't compare this shit to the casino.
Nah, it is though, in a way. It's probably worse.
Because there's niggas winning every day out here, bro.
So in the casino.
Nah, it's not happening in the casino.
Nah, bro, it is. Trust me. That's why people get banned. It's a skill to it.
That's what I'm saying, bro. They're not allowing that to happen.
Bro, it's the same thing. Trust me. People that were professional gamblers and poker players came to trading. That's like how they learn. It's essentially the same shit, bro. Same shit. There's a whole skill behind it. Because if you think about it, trading, you have like an 80 to 70% chance of losing. That's gambling, bro. It's only until you actually take the time.
It's 80 to 70% for all these other niggas, bro.
Yeah, but we're the small majority. We gotta talk about the majority. The majority of people who are gambling aren't making money either.
A lot of people, when they say investing is gambling, bro, they just don't know what they just don't know, have the knowledge on it, bro.
Yeah, but I wouldn't even, in a way, you're not even investing in trading until it's like later down the line. You're gonna lose for a long time. I guess it's investing in a way. You could learn without.
I'm just talking about investing in general. It doesn't even have to be just trading, because a lot of niggas say stocks is gambles, crypto's gamble.
I mean,
Any form of
in a
investing is
sense, it kind
gambling
of
for
is.
these
In a
niggas.
sense, it is.
It's
No lie.
hilarious though, because they don't think letting their money sit in the bank is a gamble.
Yeah.
These niggas be hilarious, bro.
Oh, there we go. Now we're pushing. I'm trying to see what we do around this area. I don't know if I want to wait till 400. See this gap in here, or I might look to go short when we fill the gap. I don't know if we're gonna run that high and have a drop or not. I don't know what time is it. To open. Let's see. We gonna see. But I want to see how price reacts around this fair value gap up there. I'm thinking.
That's the cap.
We're gonna see right now. We just gonna let this open do its thing because it's gonna have all this volume. We just gotta give it like 5 minutes before I think we actually start pushing in the direction that wants to go. There we go. Let me see how US 30 is moving before I get into any trades. Oh. I don't know. We're gonna see. Do think price could keep pushing, but at the same time, I do think there'll be a reaction here. I'll let you guys know. I don't know what type of stop loss I'm gonna use. I think 30 to 50 ideally. 50 if I get in here, around 30 if I get in a little bit higher. But I think I want to see price come into this gap a little bit more.
So you wanted to sell off from here?
Yeah, I would bet. I'm betting on the sellers right now. At least for a push to down here, at least. I don't know if it'll be a long-term move like I'm expecting, but I think there'll be a reaction like
I
it
was
already
looking at
is.
that earlier.
Just want to see it come a little bit higher first, and I'll take the chance on it. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Does US 30 looks like it has some ways to go though, to push. Like now starting to engulf. This is already like running that high. I don't know. They're kind of giving off two different things, but we'll see. We could get this movement to downside now, but if we do, then I missed it anyway. I'm trying to get in a little bit deeper in the fair value gap. Did we get a break of structure here? We did. This could have been that break of structure I think Kel's looking at to push. could keep pushing. Do I want to take the risk on this trade? If I do, it'll probably just be one and done then, in my opinion. I probably won't take another one after this. I want to see it push a little bit higher though. I don't want to get in here. I want to get a little bit of smaller stop loss. I don't know. I want to take the sells, but at the same time, it's like it's an odd spot in price. And it's 9:37. I don't know. I think we might even run to 400 and run this high. I might just wait, in my opinion. If we start to react and start dropping, then I'll probably get in from the fair value gap. But right now, I think we'll probably run to 400 and possibly run this high right here. So I'm going to see what happens. I'm going to give it some time. Give it like a few minutes. If we start to reject, I'll see. What's up, Panos? What's up, bro?
All right. How long do you think it might fall if it reacted from there?
I would ideally want to see it run to the previous day's low if it's a reversal. But ideally, if we could just run below this low right here, so around 280 to 300, that's a good enough move in my opinion, depending on what you're risking. But I do think we might get a move to the downside. Let's see what happens. I'm going to take one trade. If this doesn't play out, it's the only trade I'm taking. 30-point stop. Let's see what happens. If this is a fail, it's cool. One and done for Monday. But I'm looking at US 30, and we're rejecting 500. So if we continue to reject it, I think we might get this move here. If not, that's cool. I'll be back tomorrow. I'm betting on this bearish probability, so we'll see what happens. If it just stops me out right away, wasn't meant to be. If it doesn't, then I could break even somewhat fast if we get this reaction I'm looking like that I think we might get. Worst case scenario, I just lose a trade.
Anything is possible, bro.
All right, as long as you ain't over leveraging your whole account, one loss ain't gonna kill you.
Yeah.
Yeah, like use 37, nice reaction to the downside. I just want to see Nas follow along with it. See if we could hold. Where's my other phone at?
Tiada filha bukunya lo semana spali.
Y'all in? I see.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna just take the bet on this chance. If I lose, I'm just taking one and done. If it pushes from here, it's probably just keep
It's just
running.
that range.
I was liking how US 30 was rejecting 29,500, but it's not rejecting no more. But if I take this loss, I'm gone. I ain't gonna take another one on Monday. I'll just be on with my day.
Watch that one
He
minute.
said I shouldn't have leveraged my home on this trade. I feel you, bro.
I got this picture of last.
Got you gotta do sometimes. Leverage the home, leverage the kids, do it all.
Only those two?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
There was like a mirror in the bathroom. And you went to the room, so I figured.
Gotcha.
Once we get back below this order block in this high, I'm breaking even. We'll see. Only time will tell. My microphone keep cutting off. Is it on? Oh yeah, it's on. Yeah, there's US 30 going. Now it's just a matter of when NAS is gonna move. If NAS even moves before stopping me out, because you know how this should be.
What you watching 30 on? What time frame you watching 30 on?
I think it's the 15.
I bet.
I just have
It
it for
looks
like that
choppy.
level. Yeah, it is choppy. That's why I was just kind of, I didn't even want to do no markups. I was just like, let me just look at this level. I think this level should help me, but if it doesn't, wasn't meant to be.
I hadn't even hit the 70% yet, huh?
I don't think it should at this point. It came close. It just filled that gap and started rejecting. And that's when US 30 fell. So I'm betting that it won't run this high right now. Best case scenario. But if it runs that high and falls, heart. That's going to be a hurt piece. Panos, not Panos. This is right here what I was saying, just a reaction. I know more than likely it was going to have a reaction here. I don't know if it's going to play out. It could. But it's just a reaction. And that's all you really need.
Get a nice reaction.
Once we get below the order block and this high, I'm breaking even.
Well, I am leaving my spot, so I'm gonna catch y'all boys later.
All right, bro. You be safe. Don't get kidnapped. You feel me?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
All right,
Yeah, peace, bro.
catch y'all.
I will be your tour guide today.
Come on, bro. I almost broke even. I was so close. So close. I just want to see price start dropping right now. It wants to. It's just struggling. Do something like US 30. Just bearish engulf.
Πάνω, πάμε στα κορίτσια για την Αντωνία.
Ναι, η το έχει κάνει μόνη της.
Τι εννοείς?
Κάτι πήρε από το Λύρο, λέει, τα ξέβαψε και τα βάψε με τα κόκκινα. Νατάσα είχε σκοπό να την πάρει τώρα.
Δηλαδή έχει που ξεβάφει μνημόνιμο η θεία σου.
Κάτι πήρε, λέει, τώρα δεν ξέρω. Εμένα τα είδα πάντως. Κάτι πήρε από το Λύρο έτσι καλό, τα ξέβαψε τώρα. Για τα περαιτέρω δεν ασχολήθηκα.
Γιατί είναι ωραίο το χρώμα που τα βάψε.
Κόκκινο, το απλό που βάφεται, το κόκκινο. Απλό.
Δεν θα είναι μνημόνιμο όμως.
Δεν νομίζω, μόνο απλή βαφή θα βάλω.
Price is struggling to keep coming lower. Come on. So close. I just want to break even. That's all I'm asking for right now. There we go.
It's almost like listening to you.
You said what? Now I break
listening to
even.
you.
Worst comes to worst, I lose it. I could get back stopped out. But once we go to TP2, I think I'm gonna try to take a partial, just since it's Monday, and I'll leave a runner from there. But I'm trying to get to this TP2 right now. I think we can if we keep on rejecting, but we might come a little bit higher again. I don't want to see that though. I don't want to see this just push and go back up there. Ideally, would have seen it come lower, but right now I'm looking at US 30, US 37, a big push, so maybe it might be good if it stops me out at break even. We'll see. Only time will tell. But I want to see price keep dropping. I don't like how it's just ranging here.
It's almost looking like it's gonna drop.
Yeah, but you know, it's choppy. It could just run the high and then keep coming lower. It's just real volatile sometimes, so. Yeah, I don't know. It looks like it might come back up. It might end up stopping me out at break even. From the way it's looking, especially US 30. US 30 is pushing. And yeah, it's coming close. It's about to take me out at break even. I don't think they could still go lower, but it's highly unlikely right now. US 30 looks like it's about to engulf. No cap.
You said US 30 is on 15-minute chart, right?
Oh yeah, 15.
15, yeah. But we still got some time though. Still 11 minutes.
Yeah, I think it's about to stop me out at break even. Not yet, but it's very, very close. Yeah, it might just keep pushing from here. Just stop me out at break even. Hey, well, I ain't lose nothing. I ain't win nothing. Hopefully price isn't just drop and drop now. I'm gonna leave this here just to see where my trade was. Yeah, I don't know. Let's look at the hour. Looks like the hour might just keep pushing from here. We did get that reaction, but it wasn't a long-term reaction, as you can see.
Yeah.
It could still drop potentially, but what time is it? 9:50. Maybe going into 10 o'clock, we might get the major drop. Oh, unless it just finesse me. It might be. If anything, I might get back in at the same spot if we come back into right here again. But I'll see. I want to see if US 30 at least shows a willingness to drop first, so I just don't hop in and take a loss for no reason. It's Monday though. We'll see 10 minutes from here. I don't like how this 5-minute close bullish, so it's better that I'm out than in anyway. Yeah, look at that. Price is looking like it's pushing now, so just like that, I would have ended up probably losing the full trade if I didn't break even, so that's why you just have the rules ahead of you, ahead of time. Yeah, it would have hit my stop loss in like 2 seconds. My stop loss is above this high, but then I took a $15 profit instead. We'll buy a sandwich.
That's a good thing about having rules and stuff.
Right now, the majority of the move look like it probably happened with this buy, in my opinion. So I might just end up calling it a day. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day. Uh, should I? What time is it? I'll give it till 10. I'll give it to 10 minutes.
It's a 10. All right, no stress. Yeah.
I'll give it 10. See if we get this
Yeah.
movement from there. But if not, then I'm gone. But we might get it after we run this high potentially. But at least I was able to break even before. So I didn't have to take a whole loss before getting to this area.
Yeah, break even is always a good thing.
Yeah, I think this 400 might be a good area up here, in my opinion. I might end up taking that as the last potential one. And if this doesn't play out, then there's no other trade anyway. Then I only had to take one loss. Luckily, I was able to catch this reaction here. Like, look at that reaction we were able to catch. Even though I didn't make a whole bunch, I ended up break even. I didn't lose. That's all that matters.
Yeah.
But I think I'll take this last chance on a reaction once we fill in this 1 hour fair value gap after tapping into 400 and clear those highs with about, I say, a 30-point stop again. And if I lose, I only took one loss. And if I miss it, then I just try again tomorrow. I think that's something that could happen. And if this doesn't, then it's probably just going to keep trending higher. So it is what it is. We'll see how US30 reacts, though. I don't know how US30 is going to play out with if that happens on us. We got that 29,600 there.
I'd still go there.
Stretch.
It's only Monday, bro, so we can just chill and take it easy.
Yeah, we're definitely getting a reaction, but I want to see it come slightly higher. Yeah, 4 hours, mad bullish, but there's still a long time in the candle. Yeah, come on, just come a little bit higher, bro. Just a little bit higher.
Only a few points.
Don't fall without coming into it. So close. So close. Okay. If this is the move here, then I'll let it run whatever lows. I'll wait for a small retracement if we get that. But if not, then I'm done. Because I wanted it to come this close. This close, bro. This close.
Yeah, you said yourself, you are a professional misser.
Yeah, told you. Shit. No cap in the rep. Miss another one. Let's see how much I missed this one by. This one might be a new record. 5.3. I've had worse.
5 point. Yeah, you had like 2. That's when the last one I saw it was like 2.
It was like 2, bro. All right, come on, just come a little bit higher. Right into here. What time is it now? It's about to be 10 o'clock. All right, I think I'm gonna take this last opportunity right here. If we come into it, shit. Nice. Did it miss it by like a nice? All right. Guess not. Almost. I don't know. Part of me wants to get in at 400, but I'm gonna be missing a lot of my risk reward is gonna improve by like, not improve. It's gonna get bigger by like 25%. Come on, just come to where it already is. So close.
But I think after retracing from the zone that you want to sell from, I think it still might go up because it has already broken the structure on the other side. The 9 a.m. 9 a.m. high. Let me just send you.
I'm gonna just get in early.
You understand better.
I'm getting a little bit early. Keeping the same risk reward because it's just playing in this area. I'm not gonna allow it to stop me out just cause. Not stop me. I'm not gonna just miss it because it wants to play right now. Stop loss going to 447. And if I take this loss, I took one loss today. But right now, I think we might get a nice little reaction. We'll see. Going into 10 o'clock. Let's see. Only time will tell.
Let the market decide.
Facts. I'm just betting on a reaction. We'll see if it's a long-term one or short-term one. Oh yeah, this is a reaction I want to see. Now I just want to see it continue to react like this. That's the main thing.
Are you in already?
A little bit. I'm waiting to get to break even though. Until I'm break even, I ain't making nothing. It's all potential losses until I'm break even.
I feel you, right?
Yeah, we'll see what happens. Only time will tell. Oh, now we pushing. See, this should be unpredictable. Who knows if it's going to be a major push. Definitely could though, because damn. Yeah, that shit pushing now. Damn. Yeah, this one might end up stopping me out. If it does, we tried. That's all that matters. If we don't pull the trigger, we ain't gonna make nothing. No risk, no reward.
No reward.
As long as you know what you're risking, like I said earlier, one loss shouldn't kill you. Oh yeah, this shit flew. Oh yeah, that shit just flew. Yeah, rest in peace. Rest in peace.
Are we gonna catch it tomorrow?
Yeah, I'm done. One and done. Yeah, I just take my L for the day. 1-0. It is what it is. It's probably just gonna keep pushing now, so just let it do its thing. Be back tomorrow. Probably go for the previous. It's high now, like Kel was saying.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna leave this here just to watch, see where price runs up to. I think it'll probably make its run up to there at this point with how close it is. Nah, yeah. That's it. I took my one loss. It is what it is. I took 2 trades, 1 break even, 1 loss. I'll be back tomorrow. But yeah, with that being said, boys, I'm gonna talk to y'all. We'll be back here tomorrow morning. It's only Monday. We still got 4 more days. Just keep the losses to a minimum, and we love to see another day.
I will. Catch you guys tomorrow.
But all right, bro. Y'all be safe.